If your Quest 3 controllers are always dying mid-game, or you're tired of the cable tangle behind your headset, don't worry, we've got you. Today we're covering the top 5 Meta Quest 3 charging docks, chosen for fast charging, smart features, and keeping your VR gear organized across all budgets. You'll find all the product links in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to Dxldfks. Alright, let's get into it. Starting at number 1, the Prismxr Carina D1 stands out as the premium choice according to VR enthusiasts and tech reviewers alike. The innovative FlexiDock system has earned praise for its magnetic pin technology that automatically adjusts when docking. Users report a satisfying click every time, without needing perfect alignment. This expert-recommended dock delivers impressive performance metrics. A full headset charge in just 1 hour 50 minutes, faster than the official Meta charger, with controllers powered up in about 2.5 hours. The sleek Nest design has become a favorite among streamers and professionals for keeping VR stations organized, though it's worth noting the dock doesn't support direct charging for battery straps. At number 2, the Bioherm 14 Lite charging dock has gained popularity for combining functionality with customizable aesthetics. User testimonials highlight how the 14-color RGB lighting enhances gaming setups, while the broad compatibility with Quest 2/3/Pro models makes it ideal for multi-headset households. Performance analysis shows the fast charging technology works reliably with built-in safety protections, and the clear LED indicators provide at-a-glance charging status. Many users appreciate how it eliminates cable clutter while adding visual flair to their gaming space. Coming in at number 3, the Kinwin RGB Light charging dock receives consistent praise for its 30-watt PD fast charging that's approximately 33% quicker than standard docks. Tech experts confirm the gold-plated magnetic connectors maintain optimal contact while minimizing port wear. The 15-layer protection system has been verified by multiple reviewers to effectively prevent overheating and overcharging. User feedback particularly appreciates the 11 customizable RGB lighting modes and included rechargeable batteries rated for 1,000+ cycles. At number 4, the Dxldfks charging dock stands out for its user-friendly auto-clamping mechanism. Professional reviewers confirm the mechanical arms reliably secure headsets while initiating charging automatically, with broad third-party accessory compatibility being a frequently mentioned benefit. The clear charging indicators, red for charging, green for complete, receive positive mentions in user reviews, along with appreciation for the complete out-of-box setup experience. Rounding out our list at number 5, the Jumkont 2100 mAh charging dock offers verified reliable performance at an accessible price point. Analysis shows the magnetic rechargeable connectors provide stable charging, with many users praising the included 2100 mAh batteries rated for 3,000+ cycles. The LED indicators and off switch receive consistent positive feedback in user testimonials, particularly from those who charge overnight. While the 4 to 5 hour full charge time isn't the fastest, expert reviews confirm it represents strong value for casual VR users. And that's a wrap on our top 5 Meta Quest 3 charging docks, carefully selected from expert reviews and bestseller rankings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech picks. For updated pricing and more info, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching Dxldfks, and we'll see you in the next video.